What is a triangle worth? $180 split 3 ways. My students understand money very well. On occasion, I try to relate certain aspects of geometry and algebra to money, and am always pleasantly surprised at how quickly students grasp the concept. Let's give it a go here. What if a triangle were worth $180 and it had to be split among 3 people? If one was given $50, the other $70, how much would the third get? $180 minus 50 minus 70 equals $60. If one person were given $100 and the rest were split equally among the other 2 people, how much would each get? $180 minus $100 is 80, divided by 2 equals 40 each. Of course, the, quote, what is a triangle worth, end quote, discussion is trying to help students internalize the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Maybe give it a try and see if it works for you. What is a triangle worth? $180 split 3 ways. Related words: the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees.